1. Staying up late. Better sleep made me wake up earlier and also get more done in the day at the same time. But also, just for me, the first few hours in the morning are the best ones because my mind is clear and refreshed. Speaking of mind, number 2, thinking negatively. It really just doesn't help. Makes things even worse, which wastes more time. Number 3, sleeping in. I feel a lot of the times even more tired than when I originally woke up the first time. Just take that first step to either flip the blanket over, sit in bed, just wake up the first time, or just get better sleep like number 1. Number 4, thinking short term. I always used to think about what I wanted now instead of what I would want in the future or what I would care about in the future. Things like just eating food because it tastes good for 2 seconds, but then after that, my stomach hurts. I feel horrible. Number 5, overthinking. So much of my life just got easier when I just did something. I just got it done with because, in the grand scheme of things, a lot of small scenario situations don't really matter. Number 6, distracting myself. Having too many things going on. I feel like we weren't meant to be scattered around, focusing on a lot of things, but being devoted to one thing. Having a few things in your life to prioritize, you can get the best results from those things. Number 7, caring about what other people think. It got to the point where I couldn't even be myself or do what was best for me, what I wanted to do that would make me either the most happy, the most fulfilled. Just being myself, I wasn't able to do that. Number 8, video games. When I stopped it completely, I just had so much more energy and time for other things, which could help me even more. New hobbies, new purpose is in life. And honestly, now that I think of it, video games and what I'm about to say for number 9, which I feel like is the most important, caused the other 7 things to happen a lot. Staying up late, thinking negatively, sleeping in, thinking short term, overthinking, distracting myself. So number 9, the thing I stopped doing the most, which saved me so much hours, maybe even days, months, is when I stopped scrolling. So make this the last video you watch right now and do something. How can you apply at least one of these things? It's easier than you think. Just make the first step and you're good. See ya.